Hello everybody and welcome to episode 1 in the quick and dirty tutorial guide on support and resistance. Today we are going to be going over high time frame levels and how to find them. The first thing you're going to want to do is head on over to tradingview.com and create an account if you don't already have one. After that, you're going to want to go ahead and come here, open up any chart you would like. That could be stock or crypto. Then you're going to want to come here, find the horizontal rate tool. We want to begin on the monthly time frame. So we'll go ahead and click monthly. You can use this to make sure that the candles fit to your screen properly. Start from left to right. I already marked out the first one down here, which is really far away from the price action, so I wouldn't expect that to be of any concern. Other than that one, we really don't have any other useful monthly levels unless this candle on the monthly closes red, and that's not for 9 more days. Then we can mark one here. What we're looking for is where the green and the red both find a level of rejection or support. As you can see, they both rejected here. Down here, you came up, you rejected, you came back, then you found it as support, support, rejection, support again, back under, found it as support before finally taking off. Alright, that's about it for the monthly. We'll go ahead and move to weekly. Move to the weekly time frame. Again, we're going to want to look left to right. I'm going to kind of come up to the higher, more recent price action. Click our horizontal ray tool. The first thing that's really catching my eye in the current price action is right about here. You can see we come down, boom, find it as support, come back up. Haven't really been back down there since, so I would say this is a good level to mark. And you go ahead and open here, type weekly, make it whatever color you want, and then you can come here, save as weekly, boom, and then you'll always have that template saved to make it faster in the future. Alright, now let's keep looking. Where can we find another level? We're going to go ahead and come up here. There's about 57k, there's about a 58k, and then more recently a 59k. So since these are all really close to each other, we're going to go ahead and take the one that has not been touched and the one that's the most recent. So we're going to go here, boom. Now once you have the template of your line saved, you can right click the line, go to template, weekly. Quick and easy. It's really all I'm looking at in the weekly time frame actually. See one right here, and we're actually battling it right now. So I guess we can list this as a weekly as well. It's a good live example. After weekly, we'll come down to daily. So again, we started monthly, weekly, now we're at daily. Looking left to right with our ray sign tool here, ray line tool. Come up into the current price action, looking for where support and resistance butt heads. I would say that is a good daily. A lot of price changing here, so we can say that's a good daily. We can also put one here, but what I'm going to actually do is I want to come down to one more time frame, which is the 4 hour. And I actually want to get a little bit more specific top for that, where we would possibly get a rejection. So we come here, we find the 4 hour, we put our line. Remember, if you don't remember how to make the template, we come here, we type 4 hour. Choose our color, come to style, make it the same color, then save as the template. So that's my 4 hour, boom. Now honestly, that's really all I'm gonna have on the chart for right now. We'll go ahead, zoom out on a 30-minute time frame and just take a look at how this reacted in the large scale. So as we can see, price action hit this weekly, came back down to this daily level. Then we came back up, got some tests at these levels before finally hitting the weekly and coming back down to this weekly here before we got support and then hit resistance around this 4 hour before coming all the way back down to this daily here where we found support. And now if we zoom in here, we're actually currently fighting at this weekly, deciding if we're going to use it as support or if we're going to fall down and back test it as resistance. So you can see that the price is not just randomly bouncing. There's a purpose for every bounce, but it's also important to remember that you do not just trade off this alone. You need more confluences for every trade you enter, and this is just the very, very beginning of a long journey in learning. We look forward to learning and teaching you guys, and good luck. If you have any questions, throw them in the Discord. We'll answer any, and post your example charts. Practice. Open up as many charts as you can. Put these levels there and practice. See how the market reacts, and just get used to doing this. This is step one in a long road, like I said. We look forward to it, and we'll see you next time.